About this item: AC power cord. This 10 feet 3 meters 18A WG flexible computer power cable with NEMA 5-15P and IEC 60320 C13 connectors is suitable for workstation/home office use, rated to carry 125V at 10A performance and safety. UL listed, UL 62 and UL 817. Fully molded strain relief connectors for durability. 3-conductor power cable made from 100% copper wire. Fire rating, VW1 specs, 10 feet 3 meters power cable NEMA 5-15P to IEC 60320 C13 18A WG 125V 10A, max, jacket rating, SVT jacket material. PVC color, black. Temperature range, 37 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Cable outer diameter, 0.25 in, 6.3 millimeters. Compatibility, NEMA 5-15P works with North American electrical outlets. IEC C13 connector works with most desktop computers, and many monitors, scanners, printers, and more. Replacement PC power supply cable/cord. THEIT Pro's choice, designed and built for IT professionals. This computer power cord is backed for life, including free lifetime 24/5 multilingual technical assistance. The C13 power cord is available in other lengths in the description. To get this product today at the best price. About this item: AC power cord. This 10 feet 3 meters 18A WG flexible computer power cable with NEMA 5-15P